Yes, we shall start with bonjour and bonsoir, which we've already seen in the previous videos. So let's catch up with the new greetings. Hello or hi. So this is a greeting for any time. So we got to understand how do you say hi in French. It is salut, or you can say bonjour. Bonjour is a morning greeting, but still at the same time it can work for any greeting at any time. So you just say salut or bonjour. How are you? We take comment vas-tu? See you soon is à bientôt. À bientôt. See you later is à plus tard. À plus tard. Let's continue. Consider the preposition à, which means see you. See you on Monday, à lundi. So you just need to know and then days of the week. So watch the previous videos and find out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So when you want to say see you on Wednesday, you just say mercredi, vendredi. See you in the evening, it is à ce soir. À ce soir. À ce soir. Nice meet you. Enchanté. Enchanté. Say it again. Enchanté. So let's finalize with bye or bye-bye, which is au revoir. So after talking to someone, you say au revoir, which means bye. Then be mindful of your French accent. Trace what I said, like au revoir, vendredi. Yeah, you need to get it.